Namaste and welcome to my YouTube channel Hindi with Bindu. If you are someone struggling with your Hindi lessons just because you don't have a Hindi background, then definitely this video is for you. Here I am with the English explanation to all your Hindi lessons.
Here we are with the fourth lesson of class 6th, चांद से थोड़ी सी गप्पें by Shamsher Bahadur Singh. गप्पें means to chat, to have fun talk. भाई दोस्तों से तो हम सब गप्पे लगाते हैं. We chat with our friends and family. पर चांद से गप्पें? Sounds interesting. Let's find out. We all know that children are very curious about their surroundings. They have numerous questions in their mind, and sometimes they even find out their own answers. We can see that children talk to almost everything around them, whether it is living or non living. Here also, we can find a 10 to 11-year-old girl talking to Moon. The girl is chatting with Moon. Let's find out what the girl has to say. गोल है खूब मगर आप तिरछे नजर आते हैं जरा. Here, the girl is watching Moon. One day, when she sits and watches Moon, she finds that the moon is round, goal, very much round. But the moon appeared a little tilted to her, and she is asking, "Oh moon, though you are round, why do you appear tilted?" आप पहने हुए हैं कुल आकाश तारों जड़ा. The girl says that, "Oh moon, you are wearing the whole sky तारों जड़ा, and your dress is star studded." The girl feels that the entire starlit sky is the moon's dress which the moon is wearing, and the dress is so beautiful, it's studded with stars. सिर्फ मुंह खोले हुए हैं अपना गोरा चिट्टा गोल मटोल. Girl says that, "Oh moon, you're just showing your face, and your face is so fair, gora chitta, gol matol, you're so round and plump." अपनी पोशाक को फैलाए हुए चारों सिमत. पोशाक means dress, फैलाए is to spread out, and चारों सिमत refers to the four directions. Now here, according to the girl, the sky is the dress that moon is wearing, and the sky is spread out far and wide. She says that the moon has spread out its dress in all the four directions. आप कुछ तिरछे नजर आते हैं जाने कैसी खूब है गो की. Here the girl is confused. She is asking Moon, "Oh moon, after all, why do you appear so tilted?" खूब है गोकी. Goki means although you are so round, why is it that you are appearing tilted? वाह जी वाह, हमको बुद्धू ही निरा समझा है. हम समझते ही नहीं जैसे कि आपको बीमारी है. Here the girl is coming out with her own solution. She says, "वाह जी वाह, very good. हमको बुद्धू ही निरा समझा है. Do you think that I am a fool? I don't know anything." हम समझते ही नहीं जैसे कि आपको बीमारी है. As if I don't know that you are suffering from a disease. Here, according to the girl, the moon is suffering from a disease. What is that disease? आप घटते हैं तो घटते ही चले जाते हैं. Now, this is the disease that she has discovered that moon has. That moon घटते हैं means when it reduces, तो घटते ही चले जाते हैं. Then it keeps on reducing. और बढ़ते हैं तो बस यानी कि बढ़ते ही चले जाते हैं. And then when you start increasing, you keep on increasing, you keep on growing bigger. दम नहीं लेते हैं जब तक कि बिल्कुल ही गोल ना हो जाएं. बिल्कुल गोल. Dam means breath. She says that the moon does not even take a breath till it becomes completely round. यह मर्ज आपका अच्छा ही नहीं होने में आता है. मर्ज means disease or illness. Here the girl is so sad. She feels sorry for the moon. She feels that moon is having a disease, an incurable disease, because moon keeps on increasing and then it keeps on decreasing and this continues. So girl feels that moon is suffering from an incurable disease. So, here in this poem, we see that a 10 to 11-year-old girl, when she looks at the moon, when she finds that the moon is continuously changing its phases, changing its shape, it increases and decreases every day, she feels that the moon is suffering from an illness. Children, what do you think? Do you also have certain questions about moon? Let's find out. Why does that happen? Let's know more about moon. Chand, the beautiful moon that appears at night in the sky. We call it our natural satellite, our nearest neighbor, though it's lakhs and lakhs of kilometers away from the Earth. Do you know an interesting fact about moon? We can see only one side of the moon from Earth. We cannot see the other side as it is always away from Earth. And moon does not have its own light. Then how does it shine? The moon reflects the light it receives from the sun. We all know that our Earth rotates around the sun in a definite path called orbit. At the same time, it revolves around its own axis. Similarly, moon also goes around the Earth in a definite path which is called as moon's orbit. So we can see that as the earth goes round the sun, the moon at the same time goes round the earth. As the moon orbits around the earth, the half of the moon that faces the sun will be lit up. The different shapes of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from earth are known as phases of the moon. When the moon is between the earth and the sun and its illuminated side is away from us, we cannot see the moon from earth, and this is called new moon. Now, as the moon orbits the earth, we can see more and more of the lit up side until finally the moon is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun, and we get a full moon. As the moon continues to orbit the earth, we now see less and less of the lit up side. This way we get new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, waning crescent, and then new moon. And this circle continues. As the new moon begins its orbit, and we see more and more of the moon, this is called waxing. After the moon gets to its full phase, we start to see less and less of the moon. This is called waning. And in this way, we see different phases of moon. The phases of moon make a complete cycle in around 30 days. Look at this. In the first 15 days, you can see that moon gradually grows or waxes from the new moon phase to that of the full moon phase. And in the next 15 days, we can see the full moon gradually waning or reducing to new moon. Here is a lunar calendar which is based on the orbit of moon. A lunar month is around 29.53 days. So it is slightly shorter than an average standard month of a normal calendar that we follow, the solar calendar, where we have 30 to 31 days. Here are a few questions to revise. कितने साल की लड़की चांद से बातें कर रही है? What is the age of the girl who is talking to the moon? लड़की को चांद कैसा दिखाई देता है? How does the moon appear to the girl? चांद की पोशाक में क्या जड़ें हैं? What is the dress of moon decorated or studded with? चांद की पोशाक कहाँ फैली हुई है? Where did the moon spread out its dress? लड़की के अनुसार चांद को कैसी बीमारी है? According to the girl, What kind of disease is the moon suffering from? So that was Chand Se Thodi Si Gappe by Shamsher Bahadur Singh, where we learned about the changing phases of moon. Hope you have enjoyed the explanation and understood the reason behind why the moon changes its phases. See you all in next video with a new lesson.
Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest lessons.